Come harvest with me some black seeded Simpson lettuce growing in my elevated raised bed and some sweet strawberries growing in my GreenStalk vertical planters. This is all about gardening in small spaces. Now here is my black seeded Simpson lettuce. It looks wonderful. It's growing very strong and I'm going to get ready to harvest it. It is a cut and come again lettuce. So that means once I harvest it, it will grow back and I'll have another harvest. This lettuce is supposed to be heat tolerant. That means that when the temperatures rise, it will not bolt and become bitter. So in order for me to protect it just a little more when the heat rises, the temperatures go up to the 90s, I am going to cover it with a shade cloth. Okay, we have a basket full of black seeded Simpson lettuce. Now I'm going to harvest the strawberries in my GreenStalk vertical planter because I'm going to get all of the ripe strawberries so that the squirrels and the birds won't eat them before us. And here are our strawberries. Now that I'm out in my garden, I am also going to harvest some stevia and some chocolate mint. When you combine the two plants together, it makes a delicious tea, whether you like it hot or cold. And these two plants are my favorite plants. And in the winter, I do bring them inside so they won't freeze and go to the upper room. So here's today's harvest. Black Seeded Simpson lettuce. We have strawberries, stevia, and chocolate mint. It's a great harvest. Thank you for watching Small Garden, Big Harvest. See you next time. Have a great day. Bye.